So when we bought our Scamp, it came with a broken one of these. So you can see the little piece there is broken off. So I'm going to show you how to fix one of those today. So the first thing you do is call Scamp, and then they will tell you to call the AC folks, and then they will send you a replacement piece. Let's see if I can prop you somewhere. All right, so I'm going to insert that piece in there. And then carefully insert that piece in there. All right, now it works. See, I am handy.